Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our PHP REST API CRUD. So now guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to delete the data using API in PHP. Okay. So guys, now let's get started. So as simple, let's go back to our VS Code editor and create a delete.php file in our customer folder. Okay. So let's right click delete.php file. Done. And now guys, let's begin with importing the basic headers. Okay, so you can get back on the read.php file and just control AC, copy everything and get back to your delete.php and paste it. Let me close all the files here. Only delete and function.php file will be open. So now guys, in this here we are going to change as delete method, and we are including the function, checking for the request, and it should be delete method only. So let's copy and paste here guys, and then you need to remove everything. We don't require this and this also. Let's remove it. Delete customer and echo delete customer, and here mention delete customer, the function name, and you are going to get the parameter. Okay, so what parameter id you are going to get that customer id and send inside the delete function. So where are you writing this delete function? In your function.php. So as simple guys, let's go back to our function.php and move below and write the function. So the function name is, and now let's get the customer parameter. So let's tell customer params, we are getting whatever data you get from there. And now guys, let's call the database connection global conn connection and then write the query. So before writing the query, we need to validate the input fields. So what we can do, let us copy from the above, from the update customer. Let's copy this complete code and paste here. So we paste it. Done. So you're checking for the customer parameter and checking for that ID particular, it is set or not. So if it is not set, customer ID not found in the URL. If the ID is set but there is no value, then enter the customer ID. So once everything is correct, then you're getting the customer ID here, and then you will delete the record by MySQL query. Okay. So let's type the query guys here. Query equals to double quotes delete from customers where id equal to the customer id, and let's add the limit 1. Okay, and here you will get your customer id. So let's get this customer id. Okay, and now let's execute this query. Result equals to mysqli underscore query function, and first get the database connection guys first. So connection and then execute your query. Here check in a if condition. If the result is true, else you will tell no customer found. Okay, so for that, let me copy from here. So you can just copy this and paste below in the else part. So here we say 404. Done. And customer not found. Okay, and here change the header http not found. Okay, and it returns if, what happens if it is success, then you're going to show it's 200. Okay, so the data is success. Here you paste, and here you see guys, I didn't change that, make it to 404. Okay, so here customer deleted successfully. That's it. And here you tell, and instead of not found, just type okay or success, whatever request has been sent. Or else you can give that 204, that means record is deleted, so that means it's deleted. Okay, and here also mention as 204. All done guys, and now let us execute this. So first let's move to this delete.php in the URL. So let's take a new request here. Let's copy the URL, get back, paste here, and make it to delete.php file and remove the parameter first, guys, over here. And now just send the request. Let's see what happens on the get request. So here you see that message get method is not allowed. So let's select for the delete method. Okay, so delete method. And now if you send the request, here you face that customer ID not found in the URL. Okay, so let's give the ID parameter. It adds over here. So ID is added and now it is set. Okay, so here you see enter the customer ID. We have not given the value, so let's give the ID 1. Okay, so here it adds ID equal to 1. And now if you send the request, it will tell customer deleted successfully. So let's send the request. Okay, so we have not got the message, guys, but we see that here status is 204 deleted. So guys, let us just get back to this get request and search for the ID. Okay, so ID number 1, which we have deleted it. Let me just send the request here, and you see that no customer found. Perfect, it's deleted from the database. Let me just browse it here also and see in my data. Perfect, so it's deleted, guys, but we did not get the response. I think because it's mentioned as 204, that means it doesn't give any response. So we can change this. So instead of 204, let's make it to 200, which means it is success message. Okay, so let's add it to 200 and tell okay. So it was okay while deleting the data. And now guys, let's get back and let's test again with the ID 2. So let me add ID 2 here and send the request. Perfect. So here you see that is 200. Okay, and you get the customer deleted successfully. Cool. So you got the response also, guys. So guys, we have successfully learned how to delete the data using API in PHP MySQL. So guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share.